It's been a long time coming, and I know them things gon' come. It's been 8 years, bruh, but I got them. YouTube family, what's good with you? What's good with you, man? Your boy Jay is here with another video, man. It's slow times, but the content ain't slowing down, man. Your boy Jay has got to bang out this content to y'all, man. And today I do have an unboxing, man. It's been 8 long years in the making, man. I thought I would never see this shoe, but we recently had this shoe, you know what I'm saying, restock or re-release, whatever you want to call it, and your boy had to pay that fee. But it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? You gotta pay to play sometimes, man. So this shoe came out originally in 2015, and yeah, we gonna get into it real soon. Before we do it, this is your first time stopping through, man, I truly appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for rocking out with your boy Jay, man. If you could, and if you see anything that you like, man, go ahead, tap in, hit that subscribe button, join the family, man. And if y'all are feeling the shoe, if y'all are feeling the video, drop a like for your boy. That's all I ask, so we can get the video out there, get more people seeing it, all that good stuff. That's all I ask, man, in return for this content. But y'all already know the deal, man. What was I gonna say? I was gonna talk to y'all about something. Okay, yeah, I know I was at NBA playoffs, man. Salute to the Denver Nuggets, man. They took the title over my home team, Miami Heat. I had faith, but I already knew what time it was, you know what I'm saying? It's been a long season. Shout out to all the NBA, oh yeah, shout out to all the NBA teams, man. All of them, you know what I'm saying? All of them. 2023, it was a dope season, you know what I'm saying? Playoffs was, I still gotta say, the first series with all the teams, that was the best series, I want to say. Then the second series was the second best, and so on and so forth. When it got to the NBA finals, it was kind of like, I already knew who was gonna win. It was kind of watered down, you know what I'm saying? But I enjoyed it, man. Let me know what team that you were going for, you know what I'm saying, down below in the comment section throughout the whole season. What's your basketball team overall, if you even care about basketball, man? But yes, I really had to go ahead and give Denver Nuggets their kudos, because they tough, bruh. They tough. I gotta give credit what credit is due. But besides that, like I did say, we do got the unboxing to get into today, and let's jump right into it, bruh. They back. Ooh, yes. Bang. So yes, your boy does have the box right here. Your boy picked this shoe up for a hefty price over from GOAT. The only reason why I shopped over on GOAT is because I had a little bit of GOAT credit left over there. I think this might be my last purchase on GOAT, because I used all the rest of my GOAT credit purchasing this shoe. And you know, I've been shopping with StockX a lot lately. The only reason, like I said, I've been using GOAT is because I had some credit to use up. But this shoe story real quick, bro. As I'm taking it out, hold on real quick, look. I purchased this shoe and I paid like $480 something. I paid like $480 something for this shoe, and it took like 2.5 weeks, and I got a notification saying that my order was canceled because something with the seller, they didn't ship it or something like that. And I was like, yes, man, you know, everything happens for a reason, because by the time that all that happened and I got that information, the price went down like 150 bucks, something like that. So I got these for like 330 something, and I think it was like 380, maybe 380 after the fees and all that stuff. So I saved about $100 on this shoe, you know what I'm saying? Usually GOAT, they'll find you a whole nother pair whenever, you know what I'm saying, that type of situation happens. But they ended up refunding me, putting my GOAT credit back, and you know what I'm saying, let me buy another pair at that lower price. So shout out to them for that. That was actually dope, you know what I'm saying? Usually you gotta let them know, hey, I don't want y'all to find me another pair, refund me. But in that case, they already did it without me asking. But anyways, man, let's get the shoe out, man. 8 long years, bro. It's been 8 years, and man, I'm gonna show y'all the box inside of the box, because I want y'all to see something. With that being said, man, we got a bang. You see what kind of box that is? A Yeezy 350 box. So I know y'all see how tight that box is inside of this box. So with it being so tight, you know, it might have got a little mushed up or something while it was in transit, and it did, you know, you got that crease and all that stuff in my box. I didn't want to just take out the box and show y'all that, because y'all gonna be like, bro, they look like a rip. That, because y'all know them rep boxes be all type of crazy, man. But
it was at this moment that he knew.
What the f? it's a mind thing with me whenever this stuff be happening, bro. But I don't like my box coming with these type of stickers on the bottom, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, nothing against, you know, like I said, Japanese or whatever writing that is, man. But, bro, I want a pair straight from the US, bro. I don't like that stuff on my box, bro. But here is the box, man. I'm gonna definitely have to check these out, you know what I'm saying, get a second opinion on them and stuff. Might even take them to Got Sold. I will be in Got Sold Atlanta on June 24th, man. So I might gotta take it out there and let StockX verify these for me, because I don't know, bro. But anyways, man, your boy did officially go and grab the Yeezy 350 Bang Pirate Blacks. So there they go right there, man. I don't know if y'all, I don't know, my mood kind of changed, man. Yeah, they gave me the GOAT verification, blah, 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 all that stuff, man. But, bruh, I don't like when my shoes be coming like that, man. But I'm not gonna take anything from the shoe. I definitely gotta get these checked out, you know what I'm saying? Get me a second set of eyes on these, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I need to do that ASAP, because if these ain't up to par, bro, we gotta send these back, you know. But I do got the Yeezy 350 Pirate Blacks, arguably one of the best Yeezy colorways out there. Speaking of, I'm gonna actually bring out another Yeezy here in a second, man. But here they go, bang, Pirate Black Yeezy 350s. I definitely had to get these in the collection, and I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. I don't even be wearing Yeezys that much like that, bro. I don't even wear Yeezys like that much anymore, but I might pop out with these, bro. I might pop out with these. This is just a cold, clean colorway on these Yeezys right here, man. Just the black and you know, that little gray speckle hit going all throughout it. Your red pull tab on the back. These is cold, bro. The simplicity of it, and of course you got your Yeezy written right there on that side, and then on the other shoe you got the Adidas logo. Pretty dope on that suede little patch, man. But these right here, cold, man. Arguably one of the best, man. Of course, we can't talk about these without talking about bang, the Turtle Dove joints, boy. These right here. Now these are my favorite, bro. These are my favorite 350s right here, the Turtle Dove Yeezys. Y'all let me know which one y'all liking better, man. Do y'all like the Pirate Blacks, or are y'all taking the Turtle Doves over the Pirate Blacks, man? Let me know which one y'all liking, man. But I think they both cold, in my opinion. Two must-have Yeezys, in my opinion, man. I had to get both of them. Both of them dead stock. Of course, I just got the black ones, but of course, my Turtle Doves, haven't put them to the floor yet, but I will, man. I gotta work it into my rotation of fits, because my style, the way it's set up nowadays, it's not Yeezy friendly. You feel what I'm saying? But I might have to go ahead and dig in my bag and put something out modern that'll go with these Yeezys. But I haven't really been too big on rocking the Yeezys. I did do a poll on these on my Instagram, and this took the cake. You know what I'm saying? I want to say by like 20% or so. Not exactly sure off the top of my head, but I think it was like 60 to 40, something like that. But these did get the more votes over the Pirate Blacks, man. However, bro, we can't discredit these Pirate Blacks, bro. These Pirate Blacks is stupid. These Pirate Blacks is tough, man. Let me know, man. Are y'all a fan? Are y'all a fan of 350 still, man? I'm one of the ones who was 350'd out, bro. Like I'm really, if I get any more, I don't think I'll actually be getting any more, because I got really all the 350s that I want. But if there's any other OGs that pop out that I missed, I don't know, I might grab them. But like I said, I got pretty much all the ones that I wanted. I got the Belugas, I got the Zebras, you know what I'm saying? I got all the ones that matter, in my opinion. But these definitely a must, bro. These is dope. Yeah, and I got them for $100 less than I would have if they would have originally came, man. Just look at it, bro. Bro, I do have to work these back into my rotation. Definitely throw these on with some shorts or something, summertime. I gotta find me some nice, you know what I'm saying, clean shorts, you know, to rock these and bring them out with, man. But glad that I got them. I just have to get them checked out, man. I just don't like how the box and stuff looks. But, you know, hopefully everything checks out and I don't have to send them back. But if I do, I ain't gonna hesitate to do it, because, yeah, I just don't like when they come with those stickers. And then, too, I know I was talking about how the box is creased up from the other box, maybe getting smushed or whatnot. But I don't know, bro. I don't like, look, bro. I don't like when my boxes come looking like this, bro. I don't like it. So I gotta get these checked out, man. But they came straight from GOAT, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if I'm showing y'all the confirmation on the screen, but straight from GOAT. Ain't no cap in my rap, man. But we just gonna see, bro. We gonna see what's going on with these. But let me know y'all thoughts and opinions on these. If you had any shoe to pick up from the last Yeezy release, which one would it be, man? This was my top pick. This was the only thing I wanted from that Yeezy drop, and I had to pay resale for it. I tell y'all, your boy Jay, look, I pay resale for like 80% of my kicks, bro. Like, I'm paying the high for them, man. So don't think that your boy out here just getting everything for retail, because I wish it was true. I wish it was true, man. But here they go. Last look at them. Hey, dopeness, man. Dopeness. And y'all was telling me, they're like, hey Jay, why you don't be bringing nothing else but Nikes to the channel? Hey, here you go, bro. Smash that like button for your boy. Like, there you go. You know what I'm saying? But that is it, man. Your boy Jay is checking out with these joints, man. The Pirate Blacks. Cold, man. Cold, man. But that is it for this one. I'm gonna probably hit y'all with an early review tomorrow, man. Stay tuned for that. Get this video up to 1.3K likes. Do that for your boy. And I'm gonna be back tomorrow with some more content. Y'all stay blessed. Y'all stay safe. I'm out, man. I'm a pirate today, you know what I'm saying? Peace.